the hot dogs are completely black. Wow, the house looks absolutely incredible right now.
Emily, where are you right now?
Wait, where did everyone go suddenly? Dad, the fire looks very high right now. Oh my goodness, look at that one!
Emily, the 4th of July is finally here today.
I know. I have been awake since 6 this morning. Why were you awake so early, Emily? I was finishing my decoration plan for the house.
Good morning, everyone. Happy 4th of July today. I brought orange juice for everyone. Come and get it.
Good morning, Mom. Happy 4th of July. Thank you, Mom. Orange juice is perfect. Okay, Mom. First we decorate, then parade, then barbecue, then fireworks.
Emily, that is a perfect plan for today.
Mom, yours does not have the balloon positions marked.
Yours does not have the food list.
We should put them together, Mom.
I think that is an excellent idea.
Today, I will make the greatest barbecue in history.
You say that every year, Dad.
And every year, I am right, Alex.
We remember last year, David.
What happened last year, Alex?
The hot dogs, Dad.
These hot dogs are perfectly under control.
David, I think they are burning.
Dad, the hot dogs are completely black.
That is called extra crispy. It is a technique.
We cannot let that happen again. Do not worry. I have a plan. Mom is cooking the backup food today. Oh, thank goodness. That is such good news. Okay, everyone. I have the decoration plan ready.
We are all ready, Emily. Let us start.
Dad, you put the flag by the front door.
Yes, Captain. I am on it right now.
Emily, I think I need some help here. Alex, how did you get tangled in that?
Hold still, Alex. I will help you out.
I was just trying to be helpful, Mom.
David, the flag is upside down right now.
I was just testing if anyone would notice.
Everyone is doing such a wonderful job today.
We make a very good team together, always.
Everyone stand together. I want a photo.
Make sure you get my good side, please.
Wow, the house looks absolutely incredible right now.
We did all of this together as a family.
Mom, the parade is starting right now.
Oh, look at those beautiful floats coming.
Stay close, everyone. This crowd is very big.
Mom, they are throwing candy from that float.
Oh, how exciting. Go ahead and catch some.
Almost got it. Just a little more. Wait, it rolled again. I need to follow. Dad, where did Emily go just now?
She was right here just a moment ago.
Oh, the candy rolled a little further. Just one more step. I can get it. Wait, where did everyone go suddenly? Oh no, I cannot see them anywhere. Okay, Emily, do not panic. Stay calm. I need to find my family right now.
Emily, where are you right now?
Stay calm. I will find her now.
Excuse me, sweetheart. Are you looking for someone?
Yes, I cannot find my family anywhere.
Do not worry. Tell me what they look like.
My dad has a white shirt and blue cap.
Is there anything else that stands out?
My brother is wearing an American flag cape.
Excuse me, did you see a small girl? What does she look like, sir? She has a red dress and round glasses. I think I saw her over that way.
I can see a man looking around frantically.
Yes, that is my dad. I can see him.
Emily, there you are. I found you.
Dad, this girl helped me find you.
Thank you so much for helping my daughter.
She is a very brave girl, you know?
But look, Dad, I actually caught 3 pieces.
Emily, you cannot just disappear like that again.
Emily, please always stay close to us today.
I am sorry, Mom. It will not happen again.
Was it worth it, Emily? Tell me honestly.
The candy is very good, so yes, it was.
We are home now, and it is barbecue time.
Finally, I am absolutely starving right now.
Watch carefully, Alex. This is how you grill.
Dad, the fire looks very high right now. Dad, look at that firework over there.
Oh, wow. That one is absolutely incredible, Alex.
Mom, what are you making in here?
I am preparing backup food, just in case.
Mom, do you think Dad will burn it?
I always prepare for every possibility, Emily.
Mom, I can smell something strange outside.
I know, Emily. That is why I prepared.
Dad, I think the hot dogs are burning. Oh,
Nonsense, Alex. Everything is perfectly under control.
Dad, look at the color of these now.
That is extra crispy. It is my technique.
Do not worry, I have everything ready inside.
I knew it. I planned this all along. This was all part of my master plan.
Dad, you did not plan any of this. Mom, this looks better than burned hot dogs. We love you even when you burn things.
I prefer to call it extra flavor, Emily. Okay, everyone, find a good spot to sit.
This spot is perfect. We can see everything.
Dad, when do the fireworks start tonight?
Any minute now. Just watch the sky.
Dad, can I ask you something important?
Of course, Emily. What is on your mind?
What is Independence Day really about, Dad?
America decided to be free on this day.
Every country has its own special story, Emily.
Oh my goodness, look at that one! The colors are absolutely incredible tonight. Dad, why do fireworks have so many colors?
Different chemicals create different colors in the sky.
I got the perfect photograph of that one. That is the biggest one I have seen.
I love this time of year so much.
Me too. It always brings us all together. Alex is already asleep on my shoulder.
He had a very big day today.
This was the best day of my life.
It really was, my darling. It really was.
I never want this day to end, Mom.
Then close your eyes and keep it forever.